Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're unboxing the Poco F2 Pro 5G. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright, so here we have the Poco F2 Pro. The Poco F1 last year was a very successful phone. Munchie and Android Stud made so many videos about the ROMs. MKBHD had the camera on like the top 5 when he did his blind camera test. So I was definitely interested to see what this phone could bring for a little bit over $500 after taxes. Now I did actually get this from eBay for a little bit more, so I get it faster because, you know, like GearBest might take a little bit longer than usual. And if you guys are international, you could definitely check with GearBest. I will have a link down below to that. Now this is a box itself. You got F2 Pro in the front, 5G on the bottom there. So let's just do a slow rotating thing right there. Poco F2 Pro, high-res audio with easy access to the Google apps that you use the most. And on the back, you got a clear yellow. So I'm definitely liking the bumblebee type of presentation. And on the bottom, you should have your information when it comes to your IMEI numbers. Let's see, it says Poco F2 Pro, neon blue, 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of ROM, which is the internal storage. So I did actually pop the bottom open already, so we can make this a fast unboxing. But it does have a Snapdragon 865 processor. I did actually just review the TCL 10 Pro, and that's around the same price point. But as you can see from here, we get a free, put that right there. Alright, so here we should get a free case right here. So let's put that to the side. Let's see what you get in here. So you have your SIM ejection tool right up here, and you have your free case. It looks like it's a little bit better than the cases that you get with Huawei. And you have your manual right here, and it is in English, by the way, if you guys are curious. Now this does have 5G, but probably not the 5G that you guys probably want to see here in the US if you guys are watching this, curious about the bands. Forbes Tech Review, he is another YouTuber. He did actually send me some speed tests and show me exactly what he's getting. I'm definitely impressed because I do have T-Mobile as well, but this should work with a T-Mobile and with AT&T and with any prepaid carriers that use the same thing. So if you guys want to take a look at the specs, you guys can pause this and read it for yourself. You definitely can. Bring it a little closer for you guys. Pause, pause, pause. Alright, so let's just pop this out. Now, so the one thing that I could say is that it feels really, really premium. Now, as you guys can see, you do see the fingerprints on there. I'm trying to clean it off. Alright, it feels super premium. It feels a lot more premium than the TCL 10 Pro and the OnePlus 8, which I do have. So if you guys are interested in the size comparison, what this looks like next to each other, the Poco phone is definitely heavier and taller, probably bigger in width as well, just about the same. But what you get with this device, I am very impressed with. You get a ton of RAM, you get a nice little camera module that I will be testing out, you get a headphone jack, and you have a pop-up camera as well. You have your speaker right there in the bottom, type C of course, and it looks very, very premium. So let's just power this baby on. While we power it on, we can look what's in the box. Alright, so you have your international charger, type C, type A charger as well. This is a really big brick, so this should have fast charging. I did actually see that on the box when I was reading the plastic. So this does have 30-watt fast charging, which is pretty cool. And here is your startup screen. So just by the look of it, I could definitely tell the little bezel are right around, but there's no little punch hole, there's no teardrop. Looks like your earpiece is right there, but just the way this feels, it feels way more premium than the price tag that it brings. I'm loving that little red accent power button. So stay tuned to the channel for more videos of the Poco F2 Pro. This will probably be my main device. Hopefully I will get all the bands that I currently need in my area, but I will have a link down in the description and I will have the specs there as well. But first impressions, this thing feels really premium and I can't wait to test out these cameras. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Poco F2 Pro and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video.